Hi there, it's Mark here again, and today I just want to talk to you about a little project I've got on the go, which is basically based on this TT02 White Special. I've got Rob on the camera.
Hiya.
And yeah, do you want to have a look what's in this box, Rob?
Why not, sir?
A little bit of background. My friend Peter Smith of CW Creations was talking to me recently, and he said he'd got a load of TT02 stuff for a project that he didn't think he was going to get round to. And he asked me if I wanted it, and I said, well, thanks very much.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, as I said, it's based on the White Special, which is actually pretty rare. I've looked on the internet, dude.
Yeah.
And I couldn't find any available, any at all. Now, this isn't a complete kit.
Right.
So what Pete's done is he's thrown in a load of parts, and he said, go on then, there's enough stuff for you to make a new car with, for your new rally car.
Right.
So, shall we have a quick look?
We shall.
Without further ado, see what he sent, Rob?
Yeah.
Okay, so the first surprise, Rob, is it's not white. It's a red, brand new tub, TT02, and this is the
red.
Yeah, it's apparently it's the harder plastic, so it's
it's the
stiff one, mate. So yeah, so that again is quite rare, I think.
Yeah.
So
I've not seen a red one before.
A good start, innit? Wait to see what else is in this box, Rob. You've got a whole bunch of new suspension parts there. So you've got the upper and lower wishbones and those horrible friction shock parts, which we won't be using because you'll see why in a bit. So those are ordinary black parts.
Yeah.
So then we've got some black and white parts. So you've got the wheel hubs, a damp stay or a shock mounts as we call them. Again, black and white parts. Got your standard wheel hubs and the output cups from the diffs. Again, those are in black, and your prop shaft and the drives. Say that again, Rob.
12mm wheel adapters.
12mm wheel adapters. Put a white wheel shaft on the tree, and then one that's not. Got a white motor mount. The wheel shaft.
More wheel shafts.
Motor cover, yeah, white stuff. And then we've got, I think that's a bit of a high torque servo saver.
Well, that is a bit of a high torque servo saver.
And then an ordinary servo saver. Got some ball cups.
Cool.
We've got the black parts, so again it's the black hexes on there, and radio cover, which I won't be using. Black motor mounts. A few spur gears, dude.
Just a few.
And I know there's a 64 tooth in there, a 68, and the 70s.
Right.
So there's a right collection there, so I won't be running out of spur gears.
Nope.
Full set of Tamiya bearings, Rob.
Wow.
Those are the ones that come with the kit, came with the White Special.
Right.
Did, yeah, like the TT02D comes with the Tamiya ball bearings. We've got a white prop shaft. Ooh, a lovely blue anodised motor mount and a massive pinion.
Just a bit big.
And he's also thrown in a brand new set of rally blocks, Rob, for my rally car project. A new set of wheels, and it looks like these are the ones, they look similar to the ones that were on my GT Mark II.
Yeah.
Very nice. Cool RC 15 turn motor, that should be spinning quite quickly. And to go with the motor, we've got an e-tronics ESC, which is down to 14 turns, so that would be fantastic.
Excellent.
Oh, look at this, Rob, look at this. Look at that.
8?
Yes, 8 shots.
How did you manage to get 8?
Mate, in there were the brand new parts trees for all the white shocks and these grey ones which I've never seen before.
No.
Mini CVAs. Got all the diaphragms and the O-rings and the circlips, but there were no piston rods.
Right.
Just the plastic. I don't know why.
No.
But I ordered some pistons, piston rods, only a few quid off the internet, and they came along. So I've already made these up. There's some spare springs that I'd got lying around. They just seem to do the job, but beautifully damped. You can see both sets. So, and they are slightly longer because I've used the mini CVA shock rods instead of the super minis, and they're 5mm longer, which is ideal for a rally car, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
As you know. So yeah, so there's the shocks as well.
Wow. Excellent, mate.
Well then, mate, that's a big haul there, isn't it, parts?
Yeah.
But as you might have noticed, there's not quite enough to build a running car. I think there's no diffs. And then I think the top diff covers, I didn't see any of those.
No, I didn't see the covers.
But Pete realised this, and so do you know what he did?
No? What did he do?
He sent me another package, Rob.
Oh.
And in that
What?
package was this. So, because he didn't think he'd sent me enough, the fantastic chap that he is, he found this on eBay and then sent it to me. So,
Wow.
we've got a few white parts on here. Somebody's had a go at a rally conversion on this, Rob, and haven't done a very good job, have they?
No.
The suspension doesn't seem to work very well. There's a few bits chopped and changed, but it's got the parts in here. The diffs are in there. They seem to be working okay. You can see the prop shaft going around there. We've got most of the drive shafts in white. We've got another chassis tub that will come in useful as a spare, won't it? So we put the hot glue trick in there in the webbing to stop it from jamming up.
I think you might want to put a bit more in though, dude.
Yeah, maybe I'll tidy that up a bit.
Yeah.
But yeah, we've got the bumpers, we've got the shock mounts getting black, and yeah, so we've got all the stuff, hopefully now, to be able to make up a pretty brand new TT02. It's going to be a bit of a multicoloured swap shop in it, Rob,
Yeah.
with all these different colours. But yeah, so Pete, thanks for that. I can't thank you enough. What a fantastic gesture, a lovely gift. You know I like my TT02s and my rally cars, so that will all be used with my lovely new Subaru 2008 body shell, which we'll be finishing this off with this rally car. So yeah, just a quick video there. Just wanted to show you what the next project was going to be, and obviously to say thank you to Peter Smith again. Hope you enjoyed this little video, and I hope to catch you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.
I have to cobble something together with that one on it.